So guys, here's what I drawed all by myself. Just used 2 tracings, nothing else, and this is what I came up with. And so nobody can copy, I did this. This is my real life name, if you guys didn't know.
Sabay-sabay, pot daw lahat.
20,000 na yan, Kay. Tag-1,000 ang madlang people. 20 madlang people na pagkabunod. Okay.
Oops, I want to say 2.
Chang Ami!
Yes!
Kumusta kayo?
Okay naman.
Okay na ba kayo dyan?
Yes!
Bigyan nyo na lang last offer si Karil! Magkano kaya?
Na, oh.
Sugar won't say too long. I'm not gonna take this.
Gusto ko tanongin si Kay, magkano gusto mong offer namin?
Oh.
50. 50. Gusto mo?
50 centavos?
50 gusto mo?
50?
Sa'yo magagaling. Okay, ang last offer namin ni Changami ay 30,000 pesos!
This is just an emo version.
30,000 pesos.
Okay, bye guys.